After a long hard day, make it taste just right on that drop tailgate on a summer night. Something about beer sitting all night, and something about a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer pressed against her lips in that farmer's field to make a boy mad. Something about a girl in a red sundress, and something about a kiss gonna lead to more on that drop tailgate back behind the corn. The most natural thing you ever felt before. Something about a kiss is gonna lead to more, and something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer to her lip, begging for another kiss. And it's something about you and me and the birds and the bees and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing, ain't nothing about it. Look, something about a truck, something about a creek around 2 a.m. After a few of those beers, you wanna dive on in. You don't need no clothes, just hang 'em on a limb. Something about a creek around 2 a.m. And there's something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer to her lip, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees. Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing, ain't nothing about it. Look, something about a truck, ain't nothing about it. Look, something about a truck. Alrighty, thank you.